Cold brew coffee has been super popular over the last few years, and it's not hard to see why. It's mellow and sweeter than espresso or filter coffee in flavour, and it has a lower acidity. Cold brew coffee differs from espresso coffee as it replaces heat with time. Where espresso shots are a short, concentrated, heated extraction, cold brew actually uses the cold water to bring out the more floral and sweet notes in the coffee when it steeps for a period of up to 12 hours. So for a recipe like this, we at Crema would recommend 1 part coffee to 4 parts water, and you want your coffee to ideally be between a medium to coarse grind consistency. By leaving it there for a longer period of time, it allows your brew to become more concentrated and syrupy in nature. And it's fantastic drunk straight over ice. You can add milk, you can add water, or some people even enjoy heating it up. Make sure you jump on over to our website, cremacoffeegarage.com.au, and make sure to hit up the how-to section, and you'll find amazing brewing guides from all our different alternate brewing methods, including the cold brew. And there you will also find in our shop the toddy, the mizadashi, and many other great apparatuses that can make you some delicious cold brew at home. Happy brewing, and as always, cheers.